Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to make your Bereal public. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to make your Bereal public, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bereal app, and once you tap open your app, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to tap on the picture that you had recently uploaded. Once you tap on it, tap on the three dots icon and tap on select your audience. There simply select the my friends plus their friends option as well. So once you tap on it, now you can see that the only visible to friends has been deleted, and now your post can be found by their friends as well. So by making this option available, you have made your Bereal public, which is accessible to others as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.